Hey guys, it's Apple Tech Review. I just want to show you how you can download Windows 11 on your desktop or laptop. Yeah, if you're not yet aware that Windows 11 are out, I've made a review. You can first check it out. But now Microsoft has just put these Windows on Windows Insider program, meaning if you are part of Inside the program, you can be able to download these Windows. But just a tip, if you can wait, because this one is built for Inside the program, so it might not be so good. So it's better you wait for once they release the download on the websites. But alright, but if you're interested to download it as quick as possible, you can. Good thing everyone can join inside the program. So I'm going to show you how you can join Windows inside the program so that you can be able to download the Windows right now as I'm talking. So just grab your laptop and you go to Windows Start button, then you click on Settings. Once you go to Settings, then you go to Updates. Go to Update and Security. Once you click on this one, then just down on left bottom you will see Windows Insider program. So once you click on this one, you will register. If you don't have Microsoft account, then you will need to create Microsoft account, but it will take you to a website if you don't have Microsoft account, so that you can create Microsoft account. Then if you have Microsoft account, just click on join. Then after joining, then you can select the account. You can select the account, either dev channel, or you can beta or release preview. So when you are in this program, you are able to receive the updates as soon as possible. Once they release any updates, you will be informed. So just if you want to download just right now, join the first one. Once you join the first one, then just click back. Once you click back, it will show you this page that you have joined Windows Insider program. Then now you just click here on Windows Update. Once you click here, it will automatically show you that downloading. After downloading, it will install. Yeah, so that is the quick download you can do to be able to access Windows 11. Yeah.